Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you HexOS versus Synology. Which home server is better? Choosing between HexOS and Synology depends on your tech comfort and what you want from a home server. HexOS is a newer, modular platform built on open source software, great for tech savvy who want full control over their storage, apps, and integrations. It performs well for Plex, Docker, and VMS and offers a DIY friendly design. However, it lacks a unified OS and it isn't beginner friendly. On the other hand, Synology is a trusted NAS brand with its user friendly TSM software, built in apps, and plug and play setup. It's excellent for backups, media streaming, and remote access with quiet, efficient performance. While it's more expensive and less customizable, it's ideal for users who want a seamless, reliable experience. So if you love tinkering and flexibility, go for Hex OS. But if you want something simple and polished out of the box, Synology is a smarter choice. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.